Mindfulness and mental health. We are often not paying close attention to what's happening in our minds and body in real time. We ignore the need to pay attention to the present moment. Being mindful is being aware of what's happening in and around you. It's like watching your life from a distance and seeing the right action to take at every moment in your life. The role of mindfulness and your mental health. Having worked in the mental health system for the past 20 years, I can tell you mindfulness plays a huge role in improving your overall mental health. I practice mindfulness daily in order to avoid getting stressed. According to recent research, practicing helps people manage stress, depression, addiction, and anxiety. It's effective in people with health conditions like chronic pain, hypertension, and heart failure. Mindfulness helps you become more aware of what's happening in the present moment, and to understand your thought pattern, you can step out of your mind and observe those patterns. Then you can notice when you're drifting into a mental health problem. It's easy to identify stress, anxiety, or depression signs early on when you practice mindfulness. You become more positive in the way you respond to signs of mental health problems. You are in tune with your body by listening to each sensation you experience. I recommend mindfulness as a way to help heal and head off depression. When you practice mindfulness, you feel open and accepting. You are able to accept things for what they are, instead of avoiding or ignoring problems. Practicing mindfulness techniques, such as meditation, helps to improve your awareness and can cure memory loss. It can also teach you to manage your emotions in order to change your behavior. Lifestyle changes. We all want to be able to understand our thought patterns and how they influence our actions and perceptions. To achieve this level of awareness, you need to make some changes in your daily routine and adopt some new practices. Here are some tips to get started. Mindfulness, breathing. This exercise can be great and a fun way to learn mindfulness. It involves taking time to concentrate on your breathing and allow yourself to feel whatever feeling runs through your mind and body. During the process, it's best to count the time between when you inhale and exhale. For example, if you're practicing mindful breathing while walking, you can count 5 steps while breathing in and 5 steps while breathing out. Mindful eating. This is a great way to focus on you and enjoy the mindfulness experience. The secret is to give your mealtime full attention. Do not try to multitask while eating. Chew your food slowly. Take time to feel the taste, the smell, and how it feels in your mouth, and when it goes down your throat. When you pay attention to your food, you may realize that you may enjoy the meal more than when you eat in a hurry. Mindfulness, walking. Start by walking slowly as you feel everything that arises in your body when you make every step. Feel the sensation in your foot muscles and the feeling of your body as it makes contact with the ground. If you feel yourself drifting away, simply refocus your thoughts and concentrate on the feeling of your feet touching the ground. Mindful listening. This is a great way to raise your awareness and improve your mindfulness. Active listening involves tuning yourself to your environment and paying attention to what it has to say. It could be a conversation that you pay keen attention to when the speaker is talking, and allow yourself time to process what you are heard. You could do this by observing their body language and how they pronounce their words. Practice yoga and meditation. Monitor your thoughts and name your feelings. ADOPT, new habits. Practice regularly. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Most grateful.